it really was just a no-brainer for me. Hi, my name is Bethy. I recently got a breast augmentation at the Rose Clinic and I have had the best experience. I initially decided that I wanted to get a breast augmentation after I had and breastfed my 2 children. After having my kids, I felt like I just lost some confidence in my body. I really knew that I probably wanted to get breast augmentation. I had friends and family that had positive experiences at the Rose Clinic, and I immediately knew that this is where I wanted to come to get a consultation and start my journey with surgery. One of my best friends got a breast augmentation done from Dr. Rose about 5 years ago, and she had such a positive experience, nothing but good things to say. Dr. Rose, with the level of experience he has and the results that I've seen in his patients, it really was just a no-brainer for me to come to the Rose Clinic. I also love that the facility's nice. Everyone here is extremely nice and welcoming. When I first came in for my initial consultation, I really didn't know exactly what I wanted, what I was getting myself into. And the team that I worked with, I specifically worked with Jody. She was amazing in my initial consultation in helping me create a goal for what I wanted to look like and really explaining to me what was realistic for my outcome after surgery. When I first met Dr. Rose, I was so impressed with how professional he was, but still making me feel comfortable because obviously getting surgery done and putting yourself in this situation is very vulnerable, and he made me feel very comfortable. It was a very professional environment and super inviting. I also really appreciated that he made me feel confident in his skills. He told me, you're going to look amazing, you'll be very happy with your results. And that's something that I think that I needed to hear in that situation, because I was really nervous just not knowing exactly what the results of my surgery were going to look like. Fast forwarding to surgery day and recovery. Surgery day, we came in the morning. My husband brought me. We were put in a private room, which is so nice. Something that I really love about the Rose Clinic, and a reason why I chose to come here, is that their surgery center is on site. It is a very nice facility, and that is super important to me. So I really appreciated that. I was brought in by my nurse. The anesthesiologist came and talked to me. Dr. Rose came in and confirmed the size we were doing and everything, and made me feel so confident because surgery can be scary. I was a little bit anxious for the whole process and recovery. The environment here just made me feel so much more comfortable. My surgery was super quick. Again, I just got a breast augmentation, so we honestly were in and out of here within a few hours, and I was home resting. I was given very clear post-op instructions, made me feel very comfortable. They also send you home with like a little surgery goodie bag with things to help. Recovery for me was honestly a lot easier than I expected. I have 2 young children, so the day that I got my surgery, I had a 3-year-old and a barely 1-year-old. My 1-year-old was not walking. I was so nervous, and I expressed that to the team here at the Rose Clinic before surgery, and they walked me through how to best care for my children during this time. Obviously, I needed help. I couldn't lift them for a couple of weeks, but they helped me learn how I could still care for them and lift them when I needed to after the first initial week of recovery. Something that is also super important to me is physical exercise. I was nervous about taking time off of exercise in the downtime with recovery, and so that is something that I also talked with the team here about, and they helped me come up with a plan. That's something that I appreciated, that they heard my concerns on and that I was still able to do during recovery and feel good. I am now 4 months post-op, and I am truly so happy with my results. I actually had a cousin that had the exact same surgery 2 weeks ago because she saw my results and was so happy with them, and I seriously raved to everybody about how amazing my experience here was. I truly feel like the results of my breast augmentation just get better and better with time. I'm so happy with the size that I chose, that the team guided me in the right direction for the results that I was looking for. Something about Dr. Rose that I was really looking for in a surgeon is that he provides extremely natural results. I did not want to look crazy and fake. That's something that was super important to me, and he heard my concerns and my wants and ran with it. I am so happy with how natural my results look. I really think that if somebody didn't know that I got this surgery, that they wouldn't know, and that's something that was super important to me. If I had somebody come to me and was thinking about getting this procedure done but might feel nervous or unsure, I first of all would reassure them that the team here knows what they're doing. All of the nurses, all of the patient care coordinators, Dr. Rose especially, will make you feel so confident going into surgery. They'll make you know that you are going to love your results, they'll listen to your concerns, and that is something that I really appreciate. I also would just tell them to do their research, the Rose Clinic, on their Instagram, social media, post so many before and afters, which were so helpful for me for knowing what my results could potentially look like. Obviously, everybody's body is so different. My surgery was worth every single penny. I will scream that from the rooftops forever because truly, I'm so happy with my results.